Hello, friends. Happy Easter to all of you. Here is another event has came, that is Easter egg hunt event in Sunflowerland. The annual Easter egg hunt is live. Visit the new Bunny Trove Island and start the hunt. Let's go to the documents. Egg hunt. Sorry, don't miss the. Actually, I am very much excited for this event, so that's why. Don't miss the annual egg hunt where bunnies and bumpkins share their passion of colorful eggs from 6th of April until 13th of April. Players will be able to visit special island called Bunny Trove. We will go there soon and we will try to find out what is going on. And if we are lucky enough to collect some eggs, then I'll be able to show you how to do that event. Easter egg for a limited time, players will be able to collect special Easter eggs. Those can be used to craft rare items. Sorry, craft rare items at the Goblin Retreat and attend the Bunny on Sea. That is a dress. You know that Bunny on Sea will be free wearable item. You can mint it. You just have to pay the gas fees and then the dress will be yours. Then you can wear it or you can sell it to OpenSea. Anything you like to choose. First you have to go to Bunny Trove, then talk to Bunny Man, then Bunny, this bumpkin will inform you about the islands and the quantities of eggs. There is a total 7 eggs available every 12 hours. 5 on Bunny Trove, 1 on Helios, and 1 on mainland. This is the lost egg. So you have to perform the act every 12 hours so that you will be able to collect all the eggs during this Easter period. Then there is a prize for you. You have to go to Goblin item, Goblin retrieved item, then Pablo the bunny. This is the item you can craft. Ingredients is 5 gold, 12 red eggs, 12 blue eggs, 12 green eggs and 12 yellow eggs, and the supply is 7500. Utility is every time you grow the carrots you will get plus zero point 0.1 carrots. So not a bad thing because it will carry you for life. It's not a it will not be activated only for Easter period. It will be going on ever and after. Easter bush, that is the ingredients you can read out, and supply is 20,000. This will be used for decoration as well as giant carrot. The supply is 500 and that will be used for decoration. So for those items you can sell out in OpenSea as well. Let's Okay, let me chop those trees first. This is my daily duty. Hope you all do the same thing. Let me chop this and collect those. I will try to craft another land. I will try to expand my land. Another 13 or 12.3 stone I need. So then I will expand my land. Let's go to Bunny Trove. Here you go. Oh, lost eggs. We have to find. This is the same item we are going. So let's continue. Collect 50 Easter eggs. 6 days and 16 hours left. Let's start. This is egg number 1. Where are the rest of the eggs? We have to find it. Right. 2. Want to support this event? Not right now, maybe later. You can do it. Let me check. I have only collected two. Uh, Really, this is a tough job because I cannot see it. Here it is. It may be in front of your eyes, but you may overlook it. So it will be a tough job anyhow. Oh, it's not clickable. Every time you click it, that pop-up will open. How many I have collected so far? Only three. Then Helios and farm Easter eggs. Four. Four. No. It's really tough thing, right? Okay, I'm not lengthening this video. I have to find it by my own. And Helia sister. Let me go to Helia sister and try to find where it is. Yes, it's in front of my eyes. And if there is anything to sell, yeah, Kells too. I can sell it. Another Kells too. This is Cabards in mass. I will cook it, then I can sell it. Okay, and go back to homeland. If there is any egg, no, not at all. Let's once again talk to this guy. Farm Easter eggs. That is in. Okay, here you can read it where it is. 7 eggs available every 12 hours. 5 on Bunny Trove, one on Helios, and one on mainland. In mainland, I haven't found it yet. I have to check once again. And here, only one egg is left. I have collected 4 eggs already. So let me look it carefully where I can find it. If I missed out, then I have to come again after this video. No, it's getting tough for me right now. I'm unable to see it. No, I'm leaving this right now because I can't see it, so don't waste your time as well. Let me go back to my homeland, and this is the situation. You can see. So here I am ending this. Hope I will find that egg, and then after 12 hours I will try to hunt another round of eggs as well. You too don't miss this Easter egg hunt and try to get that carrot that will be helpful for you. In Goblin Retreat, it takes time to reach to Goblin Retreat, but this time is faster. Here you can craft this one, Pablo the bunny. Okay, but remember you have to spend 5 gold even. right? So hopefully you can make it done. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.